Hello friends, and how are you? Today I have PRA Lite 2017. So there is problem of FRP lock. You can see here it's all broken, but from the back side this model. So I will start the process. Press on the next skip, skip, agree, agree, agree again, agree and agree. Next. Now I will here connect my phone with my Wi-Fi. Now I press on the next button. You can see here. So I do not have any email ID of this phone, so I will go back, and you can see here it is become on the Google service. Now I will press on the more button, I will agree, press on the agree button. Setup is new, and forgot password, press on the forgot password. Waiting for this one. So now I will request change, press on the request change. Yes, so now you can see here the statement about Huawei ID or privacy. So I will press on this one. You can see here, press on this one. This will take a little bit time. Now I will long press here on the any words of here, so I will press long press here. So yes, you can see here I have launched this one. You can press long time for this any words, so I will press on the share button. You can see here the share, press on the share. So I have launched a few application here: YouTube, messaging, email, Wi-Fi direct, and now I will long press on the email Gmail. You can see here long press. So yes, you can see here I have launched this F info. So I will go to the permission and notification. So I will press on the notifications. I will scroll down, and you can see here more settings. Press on the more setting. Yes, I have opened this one. Now I will press on the three dot option. Press on the three dot option and press on the manage accounts. And I have successful opened the setting. Now I will come to the setting, and you can see here the last option, systems. So I will press on the systems. I will check the model of this phone. So this is Honor 8 Lite PRA-LA1. Now I will back, and you can see here the reset option. Press on the reset option. Reset. Here is three option: factory data reset, network setting reset, and reset all setting. So I will press on the reset all setting. reset all setting. Reset all setting. It will be resetting in a few seconds. So yes, my phone is reset now. Now I will try to restart my phone. Restart. Honor. So yes, you can see here my phone is successful start now, and the FRP lock has been successfully removed, and now you can use your phone. So this is the FRP lock of Huawei P8 Lite 2017 FRP lock bypass. So you can use this method for your phone, and thank you for watching.